Chapter 5 MS Windows 7 Quick look. This chapter covers Operating System, Desktop of Windows, Taskbar, Selecting or deselecting an icon, Folder, Desktop icon computer, Gadgets, Shortcut buttons in a window. Operating System. You must have seen at home that how systematically things are done. This is because of your parents who act as managers. They plan things in advance for home. Similarly, a computer which is made up of different parts does many tasks at a time. So, the computer needs a manager which is called the operating system of the computer. An operating system is a software that helps you to operate the computer system through its various parts. It controls and manages the different parts of a computer system. An operating system acts as a middleman between user and computer hardware. Here are some of the very popular operating systems: MS-DOS, Unix, Mac OS, MS Windows. Facts: there are no operating systems in early computers. Operating systems came into the computer's field later, but they were accepted very quickly. MS Windows. Let us study about MS Windows operating system. Today, it is most popular software in the world. It is made by Microsoft Corporation USA. When we switch on the computer, the operating system gets loaded into the computer's memory. This process is called booting. While your computer is booting, you see a picture of Windows flag as shown in the pictures given here. MS Windows is widely used by people because of the following. Programs are arranged in different folders and files. It is a graphic-based operating system, so you do not have to remember commands as in the case in some other operating systems. It has icons which help you to do different things quickly. It is very easy to use. Desktop of Windows. As soon as the process of booting is completed, a picture is seen. This is known as desktop. In case of Windows 7, the desktop consists of these components: desktop background, icons, taskbar, and gadgets. Now we will learn about each component in details. Icons, gadgets, taskbar. Facts: William Henry Bill Gates is the founder of Microsoft Corporation. The first version of Windows operating system was developed in 1983. Taskbar. At the bottom of the desktop, you see a long bar which is called taskbar. It also shows the icons for the currently opened running programs. The taskbar contains the following: Start button, Quick Launch bar, System tray, Show Desktop button, Start button, Quick Launch bar, System tray, Show Desktop button. Start button. It is used for various activities. When you click the Start button, a menu appears on the screen. This is called the Start menu. From the Start menu, you can do the following tasks: shut down the computer, open a program, find a file or a folder in the computer, change the setting of computer. Taskbar button. When you open a program or a file in the display window, it is displayed inside a rectangular screen called a window. It is also shown as button on the taskbar called Taskbar button. Quick Launch bar. Quick Launch bar opens an application quickly. You can open the desired application by single-clicking on its icon on the Quick Launch bar. System tray. System tray displays the current date and time, volume of the speaker, etc. Show Desktop button. This button minimizes all the open programs and displays the desktop. Click on this button to see your desktop. Icon. An icon is a small picture used to open a program, file, or folder. The icons on the desktop are a mixture of different programs, files, and folders. For example, you see the computer icon and the recycle bin icon on the desktop. Selecting or deselecting an icon. The following steps are carried out while selecting an icon. Step 1. Bring the mouse pointer over any icon. Step 2. Click on the left mouse button once. Step 1 and Step 2. Click the icon to select it. When an icon is selected, the color of that icon is changed. The following steps are taken up while deselecting an icon. Step 3. Move the mouse pointer away from the selected icon. The color of the icon changes once. Step 4. Click on the left mouse button back to its original color, indicating that the icon has been deselected. Step 3 and Step 4. Click away from the icon to deselect it. Folder. A folder is like a bag for storing your files. You can organize your work by keeping similar files in one folder. This is the way your desktop remains organized and you would be able to find your files and folders easily. Files. Any work that you do on the computer is stored in a file. There are different kinds of files. For example, text file. It contains information in the form of text. Audio file. It contains information in the form of sound. Video file. It contains information in the form of sound and video. Program file. It contains information that helps a program to run the first time. When you save a file, you need to give it a name. Desktop icon computer. Drives are the places where information of the computer in sections is stored. You can see all the drives of a computer if you click on the computer icon. When you open the computer icon, you will get a window like this. Network. If your computer is a part of a network, this icon will help you to see all the files and folders present in the computer that are connected to that network. Recycle bin. Dustbin of the computer system is recycle bin. Every time you delete a file from your computer, it is sent to the recycle bin. If you have deleted a file and a folder by mistake, the recycle bin is the place to find it. If you delete the files and folders from the recycle bin, those files and folders will be permanently removed from the computer forever. Gadgets. Gadgets are mini programs that provide information at a glance and easy access to frequently used tools. For example, you can get access to a picture, slideshow, game, free headline, clock and calendar. Windows 7 Desktop displays gadgets on the right side of the screen. You can add or remove the gadgets on your desktop according to your choice. Shortcut buttons in a window. There are 3 small buttons in the top right-hand corner of a window. 3 buttons help you to increase or decrease the size of an open window. The buttons have been shown below. Restore button, Close button, Minimize button, Maximize button. Minimize button. When you click on the Minimize button, the window shrinks to get into the taskbar. Maximize button. The Maximize button is used to increase the size of the window to its maximum. Restore button. When you maximize a window, the Maximize button looks like this. It resizes the window back to its original size. Close button. When you click Close button, the window is closed. Life skills. Keep deleting unwanted files and folders from the computer. They take up valuable disk space. Let us recall. An operating system helps the computer to work through its various parts. A popular operating system is MS Windows. An operating system acts as an interface between you, user, and the computer hardware. Desktop is the screen that you see on the monitor after booting the computer. At the bottom of the desktop, you will see a long bar called the taskbar. Components of the taskbar are the Start button, Quick Launch bar, System tray, and the Show Desktop button. Icons are the small pictures on the desktop. Some important icons on the desktop are Computer, Network, Recycle Bin, etc.